Hello, dear students. Today we're going to talk about spelling rules for suffixes ed and ing. Okay, ed and ing are called suffixes in English language. Okay, why suffixes? Because we add them to the ends of the the ends of the words, and we're gonna speak about the spelling rules. What happens when we add ed or ing to the ends of the words? Okay, let's just get started. So look, here we have vowel letters. Let me tell you first that in English language, we've got 26 letters in English alphabet. 21 of them are consonant and letters, and only 5 of them, if you remember, I told you to write on your your tip of fingertips. Just remember. So we've got only 5 vowel letters in English alphabet, and except for these letters, all the other letters are consonant. Okay, so now I'm going to tell you why I mentioned this. I mentioned this at the beginning of the lesson. Okay, first of all, let's speak about ed. The suffix ed makes 3 different sounds. Okay, we've got 3 different sounds when we add ed to the end of the words. It can be pronounced as the, just like this word, begged, begged, begged. Okay, can you repeat it after me? Begged, begged. Okay, here the suffix ed can also be pronounced as t, t. Come on, it's ed, but it's pronounced as t. When, just like this word, just take a look. Talked, talked, talked. After letter k, p, we have some words, some letters. The letter ed, the letters ed can be pronounced as t, as just like just as in talked. Okay, talked. You don't say talked. Okay, or talked. It's talked, talked. Okay. Then the suffix ed can say ed, like in the words, like it can be pronounced as id, id, just like this word, excited, id, excited. Okay, excited. So now you've got rules for pronouncing the ed and writing ed. Okay, writing rules. Rule number 1, we have if a vowel is followed by 2 consonants. I told you what are vowels and what are consonants. If a vowel, one vowel, is followed by 2 consonants, it means one vowel plus 2 consonants. Just add ed. You'll just add ed. Okay, just like these examples. You have taught. Now here we have, look. Let me just tell you here. Look, we said a vowel. This is a vowel. A is a vowel. It's followed by 2 consonants. Consonants of le, l, and k. Okay, l and k, or le and k. So here, let's see what happens. Now look, we will just add ed. Just add ed. Okay, just like this, without duplicating k sound. Okay, k letter. Okay, letter k. Okay, more. Alright, dear students. Next example is, look, left, left. Here the same. We've got alright, let me. Alright, we've got vowel sound. Okay, vowel letter I or E sound is followed by 2 consonants, one F, one T. So here is the same. Look, we just add ed. Okay, we just add ed. Lifted, lifted. Okay, lifted. Okay, and here ed is pronounced as id. Lifted, lifted. Okay, just like that. Let's take another example. Okay, now another rule. We've got rule number 2. We have, if you have a VCE. What does it mean, VCE pattern? V stands for vowel. C stands for, or K stands for consonant, okay? A vowel, then a consonant, then E, then letter E. When you have a vowel, then you have a consonant, then you have a, and you have letter E, we drop the silent E and add ed. Okay, we drop, it means we delete the silent E, then we add ed. Let's see examples. Just look, smile. Do you see the word smile? It has got this E. It's silent E. We don't say smiley. We say smile. It's silent. We don't pronounce it. So we will drop it down. Just take a look. Just like this. Okay. Look. It was like this. We dropped it down. Then we add ed. Then we add ed. Why? Because that E is silent. Okay. Now we have smiled. 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 Okay. We've got these more words like this in the book. If you go back to your book on page 37, we've got like. Okay, it's the same. Like, you see, the last E, we don't pronounce it. It's silent. So we drop it down and we add ed. Light. It will be light. Okay. Or wave. Wave. You see the word wave on page 37, the bottom of the page. I say wave, it will be waved. The same for dance, it will be danced. So it's the same for all the examples, including the silent E at the end of the word. Now, another example is race. You see, we don't say race C. That letter E at the end of the word, we do not pronounce it. So when we do not pronounce it, means we don't need it here. We just drop it. Okay, we just drop it. Drop E letter. Then we add ed. It will be raised. Raised. Okay. Okay. Now we got rule number 3. If a vowel is followed by one consonant, vowel plus one consonant. Okay, then you must double the last consonant letter and add ed. Okay, how? Take a look. Again, I'm reading. If a vowel is followed by one consonant, you have a vowel, then it's followed by another consonant. Okay. You must double the last consonant letter and add ed. First, you duplicate the last consonant letter and then you add ed. Let's look at the examples. Here we've got hug. Hug. Look, students, here we've got a consonant. This is consonant, okay? K for consonant, okay? And just make it a little bit bigger. Okay, K for consonant. Here we've got consonant. Then U is a vowel. V for vowel. If you have like this, okay? Consonant, vowel. Then we have G, letter G, which is also a consonant. Okay, just take a look, just a minute. That's me. Okay. All right, dear students. Now here we've got, and the last letter is G here, which is a consonant. So let's see what happens here. As far as we got a consonant, which is H, then we've got a vowel, which is U, then a consonant again, which is G. Then here in this case, we add, we duplicate. Sorry. All right, let's see. Here, first of all, we add another G. We duplicate the letter G, I mean, which is a consonant. Then after duplicating letter G, we add ed. We add ed, okay, in this case. Okay, now, Look at this. Okay, let me just clear all drawings. Okay, look at this example. We've got drop, drop. Okay, here we've got consonant, then vowel, then consonant. Okay, this is a consonant, but I don't mean that. So we've got consonant, vowel, consonant. Then in this case, what happens? Can you say? Good. First of all, we duplicate letter P. Okay, it will be double P. Then after that, we add ed. It will be dropped, and the letters ad here are pronounced as t because of the letter P. When you have letter P, we have the ed is pronounced as t, dropped, dropped. Okay, repeat after me, dropped, dropped. Okay, good. Now, dear students, we've got the same case with ing. Okay, the same case we've got with ing. The suffix ing makes one sound, but there's one thing, one different thing. With ed, we said ed makes three different sounds, which are d, id, and t. Okay, but the suffix ing makes only one sound, which is ing, ing. Okay, now we've got rules for ing. The rules in writing. Rule number 1 says, if a vowel is followed by two consonants, just add ing. The same, okay, just like these examples, we've got talk. Look, we just add ing. Why? Because we've got this vowel, you see, a is a vowel. It's followed by two consonants, which are L and K, okay? All right, so just look, we've got a vowel followed by two consonants. It will just add ing. All right. For example, look, one vowel left, the same, followed by two consonants. Then we add only ing, the same as ed. Let me clear this drawings. Then we've got rule number 2. If you have a VCE, means vowel consonants plus E, letter E pattern, drop the silent E and add ing. Okay, it's just the same. We drop letter E, which is silent, means we delete it. Okay, clear it. Then we add ing, just as we did with ed. Take a look at these examples. Okay. Look, you've got smile, smile. So letter E at the end of the word smile, we don't pronounce it. It's not pronounced. We don't say smiley, we say smile. So in this case, first of all, the first thing we do is that we drop letter E, silent E, then we add ing, then we add ing, okay? It will be smiling, smiling, okay? Then you've got race, race. We don't say racy. E here is not pronounced, is silent. So we say race. First of all, we drop. Look, we drop, we delete letter E at the end of the the word. Then we add ing, racing, racing. Okay. Rule number 3. We've got, if a vowel is followed by one consonant, you must double the last consonant letter and add ing, the same as we did with ed. Look, if you've got a vowel which is followed by one consonant, it means one vowel plus one consonant, then you have to duplicate the last consonant letter. Then you add ing. Just take a look at these examples. The word hag, hag. Look, here we've got H, a letter H, which is a consonant letter. Okay, here we've got C for consonant. Here we've got U, which is a vowel sound or vowel letter. Here, okay, then we've got another consonant letter, which is G, C for consonant. Okay, So in this case, the first thing we do is that we duplicate letter G, just like this. We've got two G's here. Why? Because we've got consonant, vowel, consonant. Whenever you have consonant CVC, which means consonant, vowel, consonant, then first of all, you duplicate the last consonant letter, then you add ing, just like this. Hugging, hugging, okay? Hugging, okay, that's good. Another example, take a look, we've got drop, drop, okay, drop. We've got d, re, there are consonant letters, consonant sounds, then O is a vowel, then P is another consonant. So the same rule, a consonant, vowel, consonant. In this case, we duplicate the last consonant letter, which is P. Look, it will be drop. Then we add ing. It will be dropping, dropping. Okay, dropping. Okay, that is the end of the lesson. I hope you have learned something good from it, and try to do your book, exercises on your book on page 37 on your workbooks of English World, and you've got more examples and exercises to do with and to uh, practice on it. Okay, so I hope you've enjoyed, and thanks for watching. Goodbye, see you.